tab. This is a MagSafe magnetic wireless charger that attaches right to the back of your phone and immediately starts charging. It has a foldable kickstand and a screen display to show how much power it has left. I love how fast charging it is and how you can continue using your iPhone while your battery charges.
Look what my wife's husband bought for me.
This is a motion sensor vacuum and air purifier all in one. You just sweep directly up to the front and it automatically turns on and vacuums everything up from pet hair, crumbs, or dirt. It also doubles as an air purifier that uses a true HEPA filter and looks so sleek in any space.
I know it's weird, but I love hard-boiled eggs and hate the texture of the yolk, even though I know it's the most nutritious part, so I added to my nonsense Amazon buys, decided to try this egg spinner that breaks the yolk up inside. So upon unboxing it, it tried to unalive me, but once it calmed down, I popped in an egg, screwed on both tops, and gave it a go, about a minute spin, and thankfully everything stayed intact. Once I boiled it for about 5-6 minutes, a quick ice bath, and here we go, let's peel. Once the shell came off, it revealed an all yellow egg, which means I think it worked. Sliced it up, and watch this. Ta-da, no yolk. I'm actually so impressed and a little surprised. Overall, definitely 2 thumbs up for this.
Thank you.